The electric car world just got rocked with the $10,595 Tesla Model 2, a game changer that's finally hitting the market. Elon Musk has dropped jaws, declaring that this isn't just a revolution in vehicle design, but a revolution in vehicle manufacturing. But hold on, we just uncovered some jaw-dropping secrets about the Tesla Model 2 that will leave you speechless. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how Tesla engineers managed to build an electric car with Lamborghini-level performance, yet at a fraction of the price. The dual motor setup delivers supercar thrills without breaking your budget. Want to stay ahead of the electric revolution? Smash that subscribe button. Join our 795-strong crew and tap the bell to never miss a spark. Tesla's revolutionary design. Imagine owning a car that doesn't just look like a Lamborghini, but performs like one, all for a price tag that won't drain your bank account. That's the Tesla Model 2. This car looks like it could command a hefty price tag, but instead, it's priced at just $10,595. So, how does Tesla manage to pack so much luxury and performance into such an affordable price? The answer lies in Tesla's innovative approach to manufacturing. Traditional luxury car manufacturers like Lamborghini use over 3,000 individual parts, each crafted and assembled by hand. While this produces the quality that high-end customers expect, it also dramatically increases production costs. Lamborghini's body design alone costs manufacturers around $47,000 in materials and labor, and that's before the assembly begins. Tesla, however, has completely reimagined the car production process. By using just 847 precision-molded parts, Tesla has dramatically reduced complexity, bringing down the material and labor costs to just $3,200, a staggering 93.2% reduction. This major reduction in complexity is one of the primary reasons Tesla can offer a car with the looks of a supercar, but the price of an economy vehicle. By embracing simplified mass production techniques, Tesla can keep costs low while still maintaining high-quality craftsmanship. Tesla didn't stop at simplifying the number of parts, they also rethought how these parts are created. Enter origami engineering, a technique that folds metal into sleek, aerodynamic shapes while using 67% less material than conventional methods. This method saves Tesla another $43,800 per vehicle. Tesla's approach is a lesson in how intelligent design can make high-performance cars accessible to the masses. The result? A sleek, aerodynamic body that delivers all the visual appeal of a Lamborghini at a fraction of the cost. Tesla's Model 2 boasts an incredible drag coefficient of just 0.19, far better than the 0.28 to 0.35 that's typical of high-performance sports cars. This breakthrough reduces drag, enhances performance, and increases range by adding an extra 69 miles to every charge. Think of it as getting $9,000 worth of extra battery capacity, completely for free. The material revolution. While the design of the Model 2 is groundbreaking, Tesla's innovation extends to the materials used to build the car as well. Traditional luxury cars often rely on expensive, high-performance materials like carbon fiber, which costs up to $223 per square foot. Tesla, however, has developed a new composite material that costs just $11.80 per square foot, a far cry from carbon fiber's $223 per square foot. This new material is 127% stronger than steel and 45% lighter than aluminum. It's not only an advanced material that's durable and lightweight, but it's also incredibly cost-effective. Tesla has made this material a central part of the Model 2, making it possible to build a high-performance vehicle without relying on luxury-priced materials. But Tesla's innovation doesn't stop there. Their new material is self-healing. Yes, you read that correctly. If your Model 2 gets a minor scratch, the material heals itself over time. This self-healing paint technology is a feature typically found in $300,000 hypercars, but it's available in the Model 2. This is just one more way Tesla is delivering top-tier technology at a price that's never been seen before in the market. In addition to the self-healing material, Tesla has also made strides in manufacturing this material at a large scale. The company's Texas facility can produce enough of this composite material to build 2.4 million vehicles annually. By manufacturing in such large quantities, Tesla can lower costs and keep prices low, making this high-performance material accessible to the masses. Manufacturing mastery. When you think of luxury car production, you might imagine intricate, hand-built processes. But Tesla has proven that efficiency and quality don't have to be mutually exclusive. Traditional car manufacturers use 23 body panels that are individually crafted and assembled. This process can take up to 847 minutes for just the body of a car. Tesla, however, has rethought the entire assembly process. Instead of relying on multiple separate parts, Tesla molds entire body sections as single pieces. This reduces the assembly time to just 12 minutes. By making the production process more efficient, Tesla can produce cars more quickly, which in turn lowers costs for consumers. Tesla's innovative production methods aren't just fast, they're also precise. The company's factory robots achieve an impressive 99.7% quality control rate, far exceeding the 67.3% standard seen in the industry. This means that Tesla is producing cars faster, more accurately, and more affordably than traditional manufacturers. The impressive speed of their assembly line makes traditional car production methods look antiquated by comparison, and it's the key to Tesla being able to offer such an affordable vehicle with so many cutting-edge features. Tesla's revolutionary manufacturing methods are changing the entire industry. What used to take luxury automakers hours, if not days, to assemble is now completed in minutes. This high level of efficiency allows Tesla to maintain lower costs and faster production times, giving it a significant edge over their competitors. Dual motor power. Performance is where Tesla really shines, and the Model 2 is no exception. Despite its affordable price, the Model 2 offers a dual motor setup that provides true all-wheel drive. This gives the Model 2 a significant advantage over other cars in its price range. With this dual motor system, the Model 2 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6 seconds. While a single motor setup might have been cheaper, Tesla chose to go with dual motors, adding just a little extra cost, but dramatically improving performance and traction, especially on slippery or rough terrain. The permanent magnet motors in the Model 2 are designed for maximum efficiency. Together, they provide 300 horsepower, which makes the car not just a commuter car, but a thrilling driving experience. The magic doesn't stop there. Tesla's dual motor setup integrates regenerative braking, which recaptures 30% more energy than a single motor system. This not only extends the vehicle's range, but also saves owners money on electricity costs, approximately $800 a year. Tesla's dual motor system also enhances safety. All-wheel drive has been proven to reduce the risk of skidding in wet or slippery conditions by 40%. For older drivers or those who live in areas with harsh weather, this added safety feature is invaluable. Unbelievable performance at a low price. Tesla's Model 2 has performance numbers that defy expectations. The dual motor setup allows it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, faster than many $300,000 supercars. The top speed is 147 miles per hour, although Tesla has limited it for optimal efficiency. The car also boasts intelligent torque distribution, which means that the front and rear motors are constantly working together to maximize grip and handling. This system ensures that no matter what the road conditions are like, whether you're driving in snow, rain, or dry conditions, you'll have maximum traction and stability. Tesla's performance system also includes professional-grade launch control and track mode. These features ensure that, even in the most spirited driving situations, the car is capable of handling tight corners, quick acceleration, and high speeds with ease. Long-term durability and cost savings. The Tesla Model 2 isn't just built for today's performance, it's built for tomorrow's longevity. The dual motor design helps reduce wear on the motors by 40% compared to single motor systems. This translates to fewer breakdowns, less maintenance, and a longer lasting vehicle. The dual motor system is also built with redundancy in mind. If one motor fails, the other motor can continue to operate, giving you peace of mind that you won't be stranded. This design ensures that the Model 2 can provide years of reliable service. Tesla has also focused on ensuring that the Model 2 is cost-effective over the long term. By utilizing regenerative braking, efficient motors, and durable materials, Tesla has created a vehicle that not only saves you money at the time of purchase, but continues to save you money throughout its lifetime. Introducing the next generation affordable car, the Tesla Model 2. Tesla isn't just redefining design, technology, performance, or pricing. They're making EVs accessible to the masses. With head-turning looks, groundbreaking performance, and unbeatable pricing, the Model 2 is not just a car, it's a revolution. So here's the question. If the Model 2 were available in your city tomorrow, would you be first in line? Comment below and let me know. History doesn't wait, neither should you. Stay tuned for the next in-depth analysis.